We already have the number of casualties reported to us from the time that the Andas arrived at Quiapo Church. So we have a total of 4 casualties po, no? So ang hiniling po namin, ipagdasal po sila. Yung mga tinatanong niyo pong naganap, pareho pa rin po. Napakadami ng tao, kalan and age. Ibibigay na lang po namin sa inyo to respect these people po, no, at this point in time. So, ang paanyaya nga natin ay we have to include them in our prayers.
Ito na po ba yung itinuturing natin may pinakamaraming casualty or meron na rin before? O sorry po ewan ko kung maganda, hindi maganda yung term, pinakamadugo ba siya o may tuturing natin?
Masasabi natin hindi naman siya ganung kadugo, no? Ang pinaka-worst na ine-expect natin ng ganitong kadaming gathering would be stampede, no? Ito yung ating iniiwasan, no? Pero nagpapasalamat pa rin tayo, hindi tayo humantong sa ganitong punto. Kasi ang figures na pinag-uusapan natin dito ay milyon-milyon, considering yung hirap na binubuno nila sa pagdiriwang ng prosesyon. Masasabi nating ito ay isa sa may mataas ng datos, no, when it comes to casualties po. Pero considering the number of the participants in the translation, with the gravity, with the action that we can see, no, all over the course of the procession, talagang malungkot on our part that we have this kind of incident. For the record, ang total recorded confirmed with our database sa aming command center would be 1,057 cases. At this point in time, based on the last assessment, okay na naman po yung iba. Wag lang sigurong totaling mag-persist pa, no? Hindi rin natin alam minsan, no? Yung minsan okay, maaring lumubha, pero definitely at this point in time, they were all safe right now.